Ah, toys. I love toys. This is my newest toy. So, thought I might as well make the inaugural mission of the drone. Make a little promotional video, if you will, for Tucson that I love so much. And so, I'm heading up right now to A Mountain. We got the big city up here. Pull over. Not kill this thing. I'm on A Mountain, or whatever they might call this. Trying to get it to on a lower angle so you can see the big A. Over here. See the big A? A little windy. There we go. 90-degree orbit. All right. So this is our happy experience up here at Sentinel Peak. The wind is really nice. Uh-oh. I really didn't film this side because it doesn't have any sound through here when I talk. But this will pick up what the sound actually sounds like.
20 feet, orbit.
The wind out here is pretty rough on it. There we go. Just gonna take a little orbit around us. There it is. Now we hope we don't lose it at this point, right? I think it's doing a really awesome around it, so this should get a pretty sweet video. Here she comes, coming back. Working against the wind. That's it. How cool is that, right?
Okay, so this little drone has like about 7 settings. It'll just hover, it'll follow you like this. You can set it for high, kind of mid-level, or a low shot. Gotta watch out for those trees. You can have it close in, mid-range, or far away.
These are my trees right here. Trees. Tree up there. Got some sticker bushes. And a big old cactus. So this is beautiful Columbus Park, or Christopher Columbus Park. I will from here on out just go ahead and call it Native American Park, since Columbus doesn't deserve that kind of praise. Zoom out. Oh, okay. Wave one wave.
That's cool.
How do you bring it back?
It'll come back on its own.
Now can you make it do something right now?
The next option is zooming out. It'll go out 10, 20, 30 feet, depending on how far you want it to go. And you can get some really cool stuff out of that. This is some of the parks I did. Just really useful for this. You can speed these up and make some side content.
One final zoom out, just because I thought I'd like this beautiful cacti area here. Incredible. So I'm imagining this will be my most used setting. Watch it, the tree. Yeah. Just have to watch where it's going so you don't hit stuff because it can't see behind itself. How fast can you go? How fast can you go? We are going to be doing 15. Woo, 15, and it's keeping up. That's pretty amazing. So this is our bike path here in Tucson, which is really awesome because it goes some like 200 miles worth of trail that you can ride around. You can ride most of all of Tucson, Oro Valley, out to Marana. Yeah, it's really bitchin'. I really love this.
So this shot here is called a dolly track. It's supposed to stay out in front of you while you walk and talk and, you know, kind of like what I'm doing here. The only issue I have with it is that it doesn't always want to stay in front of you. It will kind of drift off to one side or the other, and then if you walk to the other side, it'll sit there and let you pass by. You can see I'm trying to keep it in front of me and it won't. It keeps trying to see. And then it'll flip around like that, and then it's following you, which is not what seems to be intended, but
So they say, uh-oh, it's going to go too high. Never work with animals or children. So she doesn't want to come along correctly. This is Agua Caliente Park. And it's going to crash.
So it also has an orbit mode. You can send it out and it'll do a full circle around you. You can do a half circle, you can do a quarter circle, so that's pretty useful.
It's pretty sweet. Sienna's just not into this. She's like, why are we doing this, Dad? What's going on, man? All right, it's going. This is Gates Pass, or Tucson Mountain Park, depending on who you ask. It's a beautiful place, great sunset spot. So I thought I'd share this place and the places in Tucson that you should go if you're just here for the day. Say hi.
It says 360 around you.
Yeah. It's looking for me now. It's like, oh, where did he go? Oh no, it's gonna crash. So if you ever get to this side of town, which is like south, almost Green Valley, I definitely recommend coming up here, just checking it out. Oh boy. So if you're on the east side of town, definite must that you want to go ahead and check out the Boneyard.
I'm really glad that I bought this little drone. It's been fun going around. I've hit up just in the last few days a whole bunch of places in town that I like to frequent, basically, and finding some really exciting things to do with this drone. So look forward to some more fun videos.
All right, we're praying on this one. See how good my eyeball in measuring is. Pretty good. You just sent it right between two trees over a creek. Oh! And it worked out. All right, so just scared all of these ducks away. Turn this thing on. This is Christopher Columbus Park. This is not the place I wanted to come to for my final day of...
So the final one here, which I might use sometimes, I guess, is your basic bird's eye view. And you got 18 feet, 30 feet, and 50 feet. This is the 50-foot. It goes way up. That's far enough, I think.
Okay, this is pretty for real. It's way up there. Kind of scary, actually. Well, no. It's holding position really well. Straight up and straight back down. That's pretty killer. I'm gonna talk again because the last few didn't do it. Oh, hail! Oh, wow. It got caught in the tree, but it didn't wreck. It came back. That's freaking amazing. It's the bird's eye shot. Oh, I made it beautifully between everything. I love it here. Okay. I wanted to go higher than this, but try to zoom out here right through some bushes. Nicely done. Whoa, nice. It's beautiful scenery up here. Yeah, if you ever get a chance, come to Madeira Canyon. Really pretty. You're gonna love it. Well, it's getting kind of late. It's about 5:30 or almost 6 o'clock, I guess. So we'll start heading out. And I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share all my videos so that I can become a big star. Because isn't that what we all want? We all want to become a big star. All right, so we're in the park. I just said, well, we'll put it on follow. It seems to do best at that. Oh, shit.